everybody, I just received this wireless CarPlay adapter for my car and as a gift to test, try, and to share my honest opinion with all of you. So let's see what's in the box and connect this to my car. You're going to get a great user manual, and you are going to get one CarPlay adapter with 2 cords as well. So that way you can just choose which one fits your car. So all you're going to do is take the CarPlay adapter, go ahead and plug it right into the USB port. And again, if you've got a USB-C, it comes with the cables for that. When it's on, you are going to see this blue light on it. And then your CarPlay is automatically going to go ahead and sync right to your car. And then when it's on, look at this. You are going to be able to mirror your phone, get all the apps that you want right from your phone to your CarPlay. It shows you the battery charge. You've got your phone, your music, your maps, and your messages as well. Now you're going to be able to enjoy all of your apps with just a one touch from this CarPlay with no wires at all, because all you're going to do is just plug that right into your car, and this is what is going to show up. So I think that this is absolutely great, and I definitely recommend this CarPlay adapter.